The TS5 transfer system from Bosch Rexroth. Maximum flexibility for a wide range of applications. With the latest generation of the TS5 roller conveyor system, we can provide you with reliable conveying even in demanding environments. Thanks to its robust design, TS5 can support loads in excess of 400 kilograms depending on the specific needs. From planning your overall application, to modifying standard components, to providing solutions for longitudinal and transverse conveying, the TS5 can be designed to suit you. With the TS5 transfer system, you will benefit from the greatest possible degree of versatility and configurable solutions available in all standard sizes. The roller conveyor system is designed for heavy loads and features precise positioning accuracy. The TS5 allows layouts to be implemented in the narrowest of spaces, and thanks to the King shaft drive, it's also low maintenance and quiet during operation, just as you would expect from us. Modified workpiece pallets allow extra long products to be conveyed. Thanks to swing gates, the TS5 can be adapted to your production processes and allows temporary access. With our planning tool MT Pro, we provide long-term support from the very beginning, whatever the layout, and simplify planning through automated order lists as well as links to the product catalogue and assembly instructions. Systems can be reconfigured without any issues thanks to the flexible modular system. Discover the new TS5 roller conveyor system and benefit from maximum conveying flexibility. The TS5 transfer system from Bosch Rexroth. Modular, reliable, efficient.